Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you two amazing and free text-to-speech AI tools that I've personally found and used after checking countless AI tools.
Wow.
And in my opinion, these two are the best ones. So let's dive right into it. The first tool comes from a well-known giant, Google itself.
Yeah.
You can visit this tool for free by following the link cloud.google.com/text-to-speech separated by hyphens. You will see this link somewhere on the screen as well as in the description box under this video. I've personally found this tool to be great with a variety of options for the narrators, speech, speed and pitch, for example. But to demonstrate it, I will just switch my screen. So here we are. Once again, if you visit like HTTPS, of course, then cloud.google.com/text-to-speech, you see the following page. You will need your Google account to use this tool, but I guess if not everyone, majority of us have it, right? Because of the Gmail and other things. But otherwise, you need to create one account. It's a very fast and easy process. You will see the title, text-to-speech AI, and some description that says converts text into natural sounding speech using an API powered by the best of Google's AI technologies. And new customers get 300 USD free credit to spend on text-to-speech. You could simply click try it for free and become a new customer, right? Or you can do something else, which I will show you. I found how to use this actually for free without using any credits. So let's just scroll down after you see like benefits, of course, like all of this nice description, etc. Then when you go to demo or demonstration, it says put text-to-speech into action. So now type what you want, select a language, then click speak it to hear. And by default, it has some example here written describing this technology, all right? And as I mentioned, there is a variety of options, which include language / locale, voice type, voice name, audio device profile, speed, and pitch. Let's explore them in short. So you have different languages: Italian, Lithuanian, Latvian, Dutch, Norsk for Norwegian, Portuguese. So you can see a lot of them. And even Ukrainian is here, which is really cool. Yeah, and I mean, you can just explore them and choose your language. Then device type, small home speaker by default, or you can just put default. I guess it will choose something. I didn't explore all of the options because I didn't have to, but you can of course play around and see what sounds better in your case. But if we go to the voice type, I put news because it's cool. You can also use Studio, Journey, Polyglot, WaveNet, like whatever it means, or Basic. As well as each of these voice types have different voice names. Some of them basically they have some kind of name: English, US News, then KLM, which is separated by an alphabetical order. Here is ABCD, and some of them are male voice, some are female, but then you need to play around and see what voice works for you, right? You can also modify speed and pitch. For example, if I go to the news, to the end, which I was using, and I just press speak it.
Google Cloud Text-to-Speech enables developers to synthesize natural-sounding speech with 100+ voices.
All right. Do we see? Oh, what if we reduce speech to, I don't know, minus 10.8 decibel or whatever the units are, and make it a bit slower? Let's hear it out for the example.
Google Cloud Text-to-Speech enables developers to synthesize natural...
Nice, more deep voice, you know, like when you speak from an abdomen and not just chest or throat. Well, anyway, too much in detail, but you see the point, right? Just to try maybe Studio for all. Let's see.
Google Cloud Text-to-Speech.
Okay, yeah. So, how to record it? I did not find an easy way to record it directly from this demo, but you can always use screen recording. If it is a MacBook, just press Shift Command 5 and then press recording. You might need to tweak recording settings a little bit to make sure that the sound is being recorded as well, or use your phone, for example, with camera or recorder to record in whatever it says, and then basically you're good to go. If you have some presentation, maybe you could record it and put some more interactive and accessible to people with low vision who wants to follow your presentation or blog post, an article, for example, for them, right? I think there are plenty of possibilities how to use this. One note that somewhere in the documentation, if you go down here, you'll find a lot of documentation. Somewhere deep there I found some mention about copyright issues and using this tool for content that you want to monetize. And there was some, I don't remember exactly link, but I will find it and I'll be sure to add in the comments sorry, in the comments below, so check it out as well. But there was some mention that if you use this text-to-speech AI from Google, you something like cannot use it for monetizations or something like that. So you are of course free to use it as you wish for free non-monetizable content, but I would advise you to read that part if you want to use it for monetization. But this brings me to the second tool. The second tool that you can use also for free with plenty of options, and also for monetizable content. So you could create some service or a product that uses those text-to-speech. You could sell it, and you are not obliged to even mention this tool anywhere. It's free to use, basically. So what is the name of this text-to-speech AI tool that allows to be used for commercial purposes without any copyright or legal bindings whatsoever, at least at the moment of recording this video? Are you ready? Alright, drum rolls. It's called TTSMaker. And as with the previous tool, let's jump into my screen to see how to access it and how to use it. So here we are. You simply type TTSMaker in one word .com, and it brings you to this page where I already wrote a shortened sentence to just show you an example. Hello world, and you can see this double parentheses. This is the pause that I can insert. The pause you can insert easily here. For example, how are you, my friends? After this question, I want to write play maybe let's say 1 second pause. It is estimated in milliseconds, so 1,000 means 1 second. But other than that, it is a similar box for typing your text, which has character estimation, how much is available here. Depending on the specific voice, you can find there way more voices. If it is language in English, for example, like you can see there also plenty of languages. Let's just... Oh, even Ukrainian is here. Okay, I like this tool as well. Anyway, a language is English, and then voices you can see from voice from United States, female, hot plus unlimited, slow unlimited, also United States, then female voice. What is that? Let's see, there were some voices from UK, United Kingdom, then Australia, then Canada, yeah, you can basically choose and play around with many voices here. And after you type your text, you just write this word to ensure that you're not a robot, which is good. And then you press convert text to speech. I will press it so we can listen how it sounds. Alright, verification code expired. Let me type it once again.
Hello, world. How are you, my friends?
Do you see this in poses, right? It's in what I placed it in myself. Cool, right? Then you can download the voice file directly from the web without any binding for any copyright or like anything like that. It's even in written here, as you can see, you have 100% audio file copyright and commercial rights. Learn more. To learn and about it will open in the next tab, but I don't want to do it. If you can, if you press download, it says downloading file, please wait. Alright, please wait. You can also go a little bit down where you pressed convert to speech. You can click more settings and see different options here, and then even choose the format of audio file to download. Voice, speed, volume, audio quality, etc. And then you basically type your text. Even if you're looking for a free AI text-to-speech tool to create YouTube with voiceless, faceless, not in voiceless, of course you want the voice, faceless channel, you can just use this tool. It gives a limit of 20k characters per week, so per month is what, 80k, right? So you can create several videos with this tool. As always, I will leave the link to this tool in the description box below. And I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button for me to help YouTube algorithm, and then subscribe to my channel for more information on similar topics, as well as data science, or even about my recent immigration to Canada, if you are interested in this as well. Alright, have a great day, everyone. Stay safe and sound, and give it a like. Bye.